just doing their stuff. I didn't have to do much stuff. But Michelle's elevator wasn't getting him all the way. So I pulled him into myself and felt that he was hiding, keeping secrets. Well, the sneaky thing is, if he's inside me, I can go anywhere. So I did. I went up, took him upstairs, into up to heaven, where he was hiding even more, anticipating avenging angels because he had sinned. So he was really surprised when the young lady walked up and there were no avenging angels and he knew her. So I thought, oh, this is a good chance for them to just talk. A higher spirit that's joined them, so now there's 3 of them talking. So this is good. The more that he gets to talk with other people and see no threat. Yeah, we'll just have to wait. So I just check on them, see how they're doing. And they've been joined by another higher entity. So this is a good thing because now he's getting to see it's not avenging angels out to take him to judgment, but it's way more laid back, caring, and they're just talking. So Dad's getting impatient, so he wants to know his son is going to move on and be okay. So Dad, take a seat. Oh, in addition to moving the ghost on, you'll clean out the stuck energy because all of that emotion keeps on being emitted, soaks into the environment, so we'll take that out as well, so it'll be energetically clean.
So he just doesn't want to leave.
We've got him up there,
Okay.
so we've healed him because, just imagine, a ghost is a person without a body,
Yeah.
so we react just like you or I would. If we're hurting, then we can't be in heaven.
Right.
Because we're hurting.
Yeah.
So one of the things to do is to heal his body, which we can do. And so now he's not hurting. Then we have to deal with his attitudes and beliefs and other baggage.
Gotcha.
And one of the ways to do that is to overlap your energy field, or is to welcome the ghost inside. You can't do it human on human, but you can get an energy field ghost to come inside.
Mm-hmm.
And so I've done that a number of times, so I let him come inside of me. So there's this feeling of compassion that surrounds him while he's still holding on to his stuff.
Yeah.
You know, but then he gets the sense it's safe to open up a bit and
He's more
outside.
accepting.
Yeah, and, you know, it's not, there's no pressure, so it's just in his own time. But you know, if it's taking me a bit longer, I might
Yeah,
up it a bit. So right now he's up there. This young lady showed up. Now there's a whole bunch of his friends, and they're all talking with him. You know, he's getting the sense, oh, maybe there's not going to be a judgment. Okay. Those two, emoting that energy, created stuck energy, and because they kept on doing it, the energy became alive. So now there was an animated energy that was feeding off of these two ghosts with their same issues, and it was encouraging them to keep their issues going. So yeah, it wasn't exactly a human, but yeah, there was like, okay, there we go. Two people going head to head all the time create emotion, which soaks into the environment. I call that stuck energy. Mm-hmm. But if you keep on doing it, it becomes aware. It becomes alive. It wants to feed, and it wants to feed on that energy. Mm-hmm. So now it stimulates the people, or in this case the ghost, to keep on producing that energy. So now this animated energy was driving them to keep on going head to head, to put thoughts into their minds that would keep them going at each other. So yeah, it was sustaining this. So I'm going to go take this animated energy out of the picture. Okay, right. Took it up, found more of its kind. They welcomed him for doing a good job and being careful with my words. The words they were saying was not so friendly.
what that energy was.
Okay, just pulling out that energy. The closet is clear. I just took some energy out of the bed. Okay, see if there's some more. So he was waiting for me up there to thank me. So he's ready to move on. So yeah, he shouldn't be disturbing you. Dad and him still have some issues, but they're going to talk about it up there.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Thank you
job
so
done.
much.